Holders, how are you? What's up? Hope you're doing good, guys. Once again, I'm talking about the latest update of Cardano Reality, guys. So, guys, keep watching this video. Before starting this video, I request everybody to subscribe our channel for more update and news videos about Cardano Reality, guys. So first of all, let's start the video. The right now price of Cardano in the market is about 2.09 USD dollar in the market. And furthermore, if you study the changes updates now, the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in the Cardano what are going wrong very badly. The price decrease, the price dumps. So guys, now I believe that the bad time of Cardano is over, and again the good time starts, because as I predicated a lot of coin that in the October possibilities that the price pump. So now it is the last day of a month, a lot of people decide to sell. That's why the changes is negative, but very soon you found Cardano is in the positive mood. And obviously guys, I believe that Cardano price are going to hit a 5 USD dollar. My target for Cardano is a 5 USD dollar, guys. Now you can see, obviously for some time, for short time, you can see like that again dump in like that. So for some time the price of Cardano start jumping, and one day, obviously one day they will start a huge pump, guys. So please hold, never decide to sell, guys. Anyways, what is your prediction, what is your update about Cardano? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.